Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Ground attack aircraft are intended for direct aviation support of ground forces on the battlefield using missile cannons, bombs, cluster weapons, or other ammunition. Planes of this type are in service with few countries since their cost is quite high. Today, we will show you the 10 most expensive ground attack aircraft in the world. The Sodor Alpha Jet. The Alpha Jet was designed in the late 1960s to meet a joint Franco-German requirement for both a jet trainer and a light attack aircraft. The principal users of this type of aircraft, Germany and France, operated their Alpha Jets in different capacities, the former as a ground attack platform and the latter as a trainer aircraft. Nearly 5,000 pounds of munitions and equipment may be carried upon a total of 5 hardpoints. 4 of these being located upon the wings and a single one at the center line on the lower fuselage. In an armed configuration, a gun pod containing a 30mm DEFA cannon or 27mm Mauser BK-27 cannon would typically be installed upon the center line hardpoint. The cost of one Alpha Jet aircraft is $4.5 million. C101 AVO Jack. The C101 AVO Jet is a low-wing, single-engine, jet-powered advanced trainer and ground attack aircraft designed and manufactured by Spanish aircraft company CASA. The C101 is currently operated by the air forces of 4 countries: Chile, Honduras, Jordan, and Spain. The C101 is a high-performance aircraft capable of carrying out ground attacks, reconnaissance and photographic missions, and electronic warfare countermeasures. The weapons bay has the capacity to carry a laser designator, reconnaissance or countermeasures systems, a 30mm cannon complete with 130 rounds of ammunition, or a twin Browning M3 12.7mm machine gun with 440 rounds. The underwing hardpoints are capable of carrying a 4,960-pound payload, including Lao-10, BR-250, and BR-125 bombs, Lao-3A rocket launchers, or AGM-65 Maverick missiles. As for the cost of the C101, it varies from $5 to $7 million. IAR-99 Soyum. The IAR-99 Soyum advanced trainer and ground attack aircraft was developed in Romania to replace the Aero L-29 Delphin and L-39 Albatross jet trainers. The IAR-99 is basically used for training purposes. However, this aircraft also has a secondary light attack capability. It is also capable of performing reconnaissance missions. The IAR-99 has 4 underwing hardpoints, capable of holding 551 pounds each, and 1 central hardpoint, capable of holding 881 pounds. The aircraft is armed with a single 23mm twin-barrel cannon, podded on the central hardpoint. The Soyum can carry air-to-air missiles. Other weapons include freefall bombs and rocket pods. The cost of the IAR-99 Soyum is $8 million. L-159 ALKA. The L-159 Advanced Light Combat Aircraft, ALKA, is a single-seat subsonic attack aircraft from Czech manufacturer Aero Vodocity. The first ALKA prototype made its maiden flight in August 1997, while the first aircraft entered service with Czech Air Force in 2000. The operational capabilities of the aircraft include close air support, tactical reconnaissance, air defense, counterinsurgency, border patrol, anti-ship missions, and lead-in fighter and weapons training. They are capable of carrying a wide range of NATO standard weapons, including AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles, rockets and freefall bombs, a gun pod, laser-guided bombs, reconnaissance pods, electronic countermeasure pods, and fuel drop tanks. The cost of one L-159 is $9.5 million. Su25 Garage. The Sukhoi Su25 Garage is a single-seat, twin-engine jet aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Sukhoi. It was designed to provide close air support for the Soviet ground forces. The first prototype made its maiden flight on February 22, 1975. The Su-25 is designed to defeat small mobile and stationary ground targets, and to engage low-speed air targets at the forward edge and in the nearest tactical and operational depth. The wings have 10 pylons for carrying a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapon systems selected for the mission. The Su-25 can be armed with 771-pound to 1,477-pound laser-guided bombs, 1,102-pound incendiary devices, and cluster bombs. The aircraft's twin-barrel 30mm gun is installed on the underside of the fuselage on the port side. The gun is armed with 250 rounds of ammunition and is capable of firing at a burst rate of 3,000 rounds a minute. The cost of the Su-25 attack aircraft is $11 million. Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano. The EMB 314 Super Tucano, also known as A29 Super Tucano, is a turboprop light attack aircraft offered by Embraer to meet the light combat requirements of armed forces worldwide. It is a successor of the EMB 312 Tucano trainer. The primary operators of the aircraft include the air forces of Brazil, Colombia, Afghanistan, Chile, Ecuador, and Indonesia. Its small size, small visual and radar signatures, together with high speed and agility, give the aircraft high survivability. Additional survivability features include armor protection and critical systems redundancy. There are 5 hardpoints for carrying weapons, and the aircraft is capable of holding a maximum external load of 3,306 pounds. The aircraft is armed with 2 wing-mounted 12 7mm machine guns with a rate of fire of 1,100 rounds a minute, and is capable of carrying general-purpose bombs and guided air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. The cost of the Super Tucano varies from $9 to $18 million. Yak 130. The Yakovlev Yak 130 is a twin-seat advanced jet trainer and light combat aircraft offered by Irkut Corporation. The subsonic aircraft entered service with the Russian Air Force in February 2010. Primarily intended for advanced flight training, the aircraft can perform light attack and reconnaissance missions. It provides 9 external stations with a total payload capacity of 6,613 pounds. An open architecture avionics suite installed on the Yak 130 allows a wide range of Western weapon systems and guided missiles to be integrated. The aircraft is fitted with a 30mm cannon installed under the fuselage. It can also deploy unguided rockets, 551-pound and 110-pound bombs and cluster bombs. The cost of the Yak 130 is $15 million. AMX. The AMX attack aircraft is in service with the air forces of Brazil, Italy, and Venezuela. The first AMX aircraft was delivered to the Italian Air Force in January 1989 and to the Brazilian Air Force in 1990. The main role of the AMX is ground attack in visual and marginal weather conditions, with primary roles in long-range strike and air interdiction, close air support, reconnaissance, and armed patrol. The aircraft is also highly effective in air defense missions and functions as a lead-in fighter role. The AMX can carry external loads up to 8,377 pounds. The aircraft has 7 hardpoints, one on the center line of the underside of the fuselage, 2 hardpoints under each wing, and wingtip rails on each wing. The aircraft can carry air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, freefall bombs, retarded bombs, laser-guided bombs, cluster bombs, precision-guided munitions, and rocket launchers. The cost of the aircraft is $16.5 million. A10 Thunderbolt II. The A10 Thunderbolt II is a single-seat, twin-turbofan engine, straight-wing jet aircraft developed by Fairchild Republic for the United States Air Force. The primary purposes of the aircraft are ground attacks against tanks, armored vehicles and installations, and close air support of ground forces. The aircraft has 11 stores pylons, providing an external load capacity of 16,000 pounds. The A10 can carry up to 10 Maverick air-to-surface missiles. Its range is more than 27 miles. The A10 can also carry the Sidewinder air-to-air missile, which is an all-aspect short-range missile with a maximum speed over Mach 2. The A10 is capable of using 498-pound general-purpose bombs and cluster bombs. The aircraft is also armed with a General Dynamics 30mm cannon, mounted in the nose of the aircraft. The magazine can hold 1,350 rounds of ammunition. The pilot can select a firing rate of 2,100 or 4,200 rounds a minute. The cost of the A10 Thunderbolt II attack aircraft is $18.8 million. T50 Golden Eagle. The T50 Golden Eagle is a family of South Korean supersonic advanced trainers and light attack aircraft. Developed by Korea Aerospace Industries with Lockheed Martin, the aircraft has 7 external hardpoints for carrying weapons, 1 on the center line under the fuselage, 2 hardpoints under each wing, and an air-to-air missile launch rail at the 2 wingtips. The wingtip launch rails can carry AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. The underwing and centerline hardpoints can carry rocket pods, air-to-surface missiles, or air-to-air missiles according to mission requirements. The aircraft carries a weapons load of up to 8,487 pounds. The cost of the T50 Golden Eagle is $21 million. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the aircraft you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.